Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Scene tab in Explaindio 4.0. So I've got a project open here. The first scene is a basic scene that we created earlier with a logo image and text set to sketch by hand. Let me hide the timeline. The Scene tab is among the busiest tabs compared to the others. The Export Scene button allows you to export individual scenes so you can use them in other projects. And I'll be creating a separate video to cover this in more detail. The Open Canvas button opens the canvas to allow you to edit and add new elements to the canvas. Let me close the canvas. These two options I'll show you in a moment. So first let me cover the scene background image. If I click on the Gallery button, I can add background images from within Explaindio stored in the Images folder. So I'll choose one from the Background Images subfolder. I'll go with number 30 and click Add Image. And here it is in the background of the scene. I can use the Remove button to remove the background image. Alternatively, I can use the Browse button to upload background images from my computer, like so. The animated background option is a bit different. You can use the Browse button to upload SWF, also known as Shockwave Flash images. I'll choose this Flower SWF and click Open. And in the scene preview, you'll see that it replicates the SWF image and creates a moving background. These controls down below allow you to control the direction, speed, and spacing of the SWF image. So for example, I went ahead and changed the shift angle to 90, the speed to 1, the width to 105, and the spacing for X and Y to 50 each. And now, if we preview the scene again, you can see that the animation has changed quite a bit based on the new settings. The scene background video works the same way as the image background. You can use the Browse button, choose a video from your computer, and add it as the background video to the scene, as you can see. You'll also notice that the video background overrides the image background. We can obviously remove the animated background, so we only have the video playing in the scene background, like so. The GIF background works the same way as the image and video background, and you use the Browse button to upload a GIF from a computer. I won't do this right now. In the scene voiceover section, you can use the Browse button to upload an MP3 audio from your computer to a specific scene. And you can use the Remove button to remove the audio. I generally stick to the main audio section in the menu bar up top, for which I've created a separate video. The section down below is related to the presenter mode, and I've created a separate video covering this. Now let me cover the action after scene, which is basically scene transitions. So if I drop down this menu, you see that there are a few scene transitions built in. So let me choose Shift Up, and I'll leave this box checked for Fade/Shift Background. And let's do a quick preview, and you'll notice that the whole background, as well as the elements, shift up when the scene transitions. Now if I uncheck this box, and we do a quick preview, you'll notice that as the first scene transitions, it will only shift up the elements and not the background. Finally, the Extend Scene slider allows you to extend the duration of an individual scene. So for example, this first scene is 5.08 seconds, and I can use the Extend Scene slider to extend it for additional 2 seconds or 48 frames. And if we do a quick scene preview, you'll notice that once the animation is complete, the scene continues to play for 2 more seconds. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.